Hello everyone, welcome to our programming tutorial for marketing analytics course. So I have this R Studio installed here. When you click and launch this R Studio, you will see these four windows. First is your R script, then console, the global environment, and the folders and packages, everything you can see here in this window. So let's start with five main data types in R. First is integer. So whatever you write after hashtag, it doesn't count in R. So it will not be taken as code in R. So this is basically used to write any comments. So X, this less than and minus sign is basically assignment operators. So this is our convention for assignment. So let's say X less than equal to, and then we have assigned a value 5L here. And in R, you don't have to worry about the space. It's only because of aesthetics. And to run this, let's say we'll do control enter, and you can see the values in environment. So we have created this variable X, which is 5L. Let's create another variable. So let's create a variable Y, and to assign the same thing we have to do less than and minus sign. So let's create this variable Y and give it a value of 2.5. Control enter. So we can see two variables we have created now. Let's use one function which is type of X, which is type of variable. Here we can write the object. For example, for X, we want to know what is the type of X. So you can see it is integer. If you type of Y, if you want to see type of Y, then we write type of Y, control enter. It's a double. So what is a double? Double is decimal values are considered as double in R. Now we have covered integer, and this is double. Another data type in R. Third data type is complex. So in complex, for example, let's say set and assign a value, complex value 3 plus say 2i, and run this, and you can see third variable is created, that is z. Now if we check whether it is, what is the class, so we say type of and write the object here. And sorry, I need to put it in small because I used small z here. Control enter. So it's a complex number. After that, let's create characters. One thing to note in character is that, for example, if I say A and let's say I type a character hello, control enter, object A not found. This is because we have to put these commas and then it will be taken as character. Now let's print A and let's check type of hello, or write type of A. Object A is not found, maybe because we have not run this code. This is fine, but yes, the assignment is not right. So we have done this and control enter, we have assigned. So A is hello and let's type A and character. This is the type of A. All right. So now let's move to fifth data type. The fifth data type is logical. Logical. For example, let's create one variable by q1 and assign it a value true, should be capital, and say q2 be the another variable, and you can assign value f or false, whatever, but it should be capital, and then you can control enter, you can run, so it will come as true and false. So these are logical operators. So we have covered all 5 data types. We also talked about how assignment operator works. That is our convention for assignment, and you have to run this code by control enter, and whatever is written after hashtag is used basically for commenting purposes. Now after that, let's move to second part. Let's see what all other operations we can do here in R. So let's say hashtag operations with variables. What all operations you can do? For example, if I assign 10 value to A object, and let's say assign 5, then we can create a variable by C and assign the value of sum of A plus B. So you can then, we have not run this, that's why it's not coming. So now it is coming. Or if we want to type C, then we can just print C like this. So you can see A, B, C, all the variables we have created. Now some of the arithmetic operations, other operation, what we can do is let's create a variable 1 and let's assign a value of 2.5 to this variable, and take another variable 2 and assign value of 4 to this one, and let's stores variable 1, division of these two variable 1 by variable 2 in result. So we have to run all these 3 variables. So variable 1, 2 we have created. Result variable is 0.625, that is 2.5 by 4, and we can simply write result to print it, control enter. So you can get result 0.625 here. Another thing we can do here is we can also call function and pass values to function. For example, if I have to take like square root, this is a function because it has this bracket. Square root of variable 2 should come should be assigned to answer. So when I write answer next and run this, answer is 2. So answer is the variable which we have created. Its value is 2, which is square root of variable 2. After that, let's move forward to classes. Like, for example, if I have to check what is the class of variable 2, I can do that. It's numeric. Now if I have to change it to character, so let's see, say we have created one variable by b, and as dot, this is this variable is numeric, and if I want to convert into integer, as dot integer, and then I take variable 2, control enter, and let's check what is the class of variable 2 now. Sorry, class of b. So it is integer now. Similarly, if we want to change it back to integer, or sorry, change it back to numeric, we can do that. Let's say, let's call it a, and assign the value, and we have to convert it into numeric. Let's see, and class of a, let's check class of a again. So it's numeric now. So after this, let's see how we can add character variables. Let's say we have create a character variable greeting and assign it character. We know we have to put it in commas. Hello is the character variable we have assigned to greetings. Another is name, and let's assign it a variable name students. Now how to add this? So in order to add this, there is this function paste. So let's say we are assigning the addition of these two character variables in object name message, and we are using paste function, and then we will call the object here greetings, comma, the second is name, and control enter. But there's some issue here. Let's see, we have to first call these run these variables. So now it is an environment, and now we have to run this, right? So we can see greetings and message hello students.